Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be filming a Valentine's look because everybody been requesting it. So I was like, oh, why not? I mean, I don't know if y'all get bored of my makeup tutorials because I feel like that's what I mostly post about. I did my eyebrows off camera. This time, I don't know guys, I was using the e.l.f. pomade. But I honestly don't like it that much anymore because I feel like it's not pigmented enough, and I don't know, I just feel like my Maybelline gel one is so creamy and pigmented. Like, I use this one. I've been using this one for years, guys, and this one's not a dip brow. This is actually a gel liner, but it's the perfect dark brown color, as you can see, and it works so good for your eyebrows, and I've been using it for years. So everybody in my last video that I did, like a little story time, they were asking me what foundation I use, and I used the Maybelline Super Stay foundation in the color Warm Nude. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced concealer. Guys, y'all know I've been obsessed with this concealer. It's so good. My sister thinks the Tarte Shape Tape is better, but I just feel like this Tarte Shape Tape fucking dries out so fast, and it dries out my under eyes so nasty that it crushes up. I'm gonna go in with my RCMA powder and bake my under eyes. See me use the James palette, so I kind of want to try it out. But guys, I don't know, this is like not my favorite. I think it's just because I'm not using the right base for them. But I just feel like they don't work for me. But since it has those really pretty, vibrant, like, you know, Valentine's colors, I am going to be using these. And I'm going to be using also my, hold on, I kind of forgot about that. This Rude Cosmetics palette. I did a review on this one, and they're so pigmented. It's so good. This is like 20 bucks, guys. You see the colors in here? And then it comes with this big ass mirror. So I think I'm kind of going to use this one. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but we're just gonna go with the flow. Alright guys, so I had to do a little voiceover at this part now because I don't know what was going on with the audio, but you couldn't hear me. But right here, I'm just using my Rude Cosmetics palette. You're going to be seeing it throughout the video. And all I'm doing with all the shades and colors that I'm using for my eyeshadow, I'm just bringing it out. As you can see, I'm just bringing it out so it could be like a cut crease. Now I'm going in with a really pink shade, and then I'm gonna deepen it up with the purple later. So yeah guys, you're just gonna see what I'm doing right here. It's basically self-explanatory. So yeah. Right here, I'm just cutting my crease with my Too Faced concealer. And guys, I don't know what was going on, but I ended up fucking up both the sides of my eyeshadow. So you're just gonna see how everything's gonna flow together. Oh my god, the baby's making noise. Basically, I am just lining it up like a cut crease, and then from the end of my outer corner and the top of the wing of the cut crease, I'm just gonna lighten up together. Now on the other side, basically I'm just doing the same thing that I did on the other eye, just keep watching. It's self-explanatory, guys. I promise. It's easy. You just have to I'm better at learning, at like looking at stuff, not explaining stuff. So I feel like that's why I'm not really explaining these goods, but I'm just showing you everything I'm doing here. I did get a close-up shot so y'all can see my eyeshadow application better. Now I'm gonna start applying the glitters. The glitters that I'm using are from Super Glitters, and I'm just gonna be lining it up and applying it with a glitter glue that I use for my eyelashes. So I'm lining the top and then the bottom from my inner corner to the wing from the cut crease. Basically what I'm doing here is just applying the glue first, and then I'm gonna lay down the glitter so it could stick better. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do just a little thin black eyeliner on top of my eyes because I don't want it to be just empty. And to hide the eyelash band better, I'm just gonna apply a little thin line. I'm not gonna do no wing, just that. And then I'm gonna apply my eyelashes. My eyelashes, people keep asking me, but guys, I cannot tell you my eyelashes where they are from right now. So yes, guys, I'm sorry about that. But to let my eyelashes dry, I'm just gonna go ahead and start bronzing up my face, putting highlighter and blushing up a little bit. Guys, the whole time I thought I recorded me putting these little hearts on, but my phone ended up dying, so I didn't even show y'all me applying them and me talking. I was just talking on my ass. But let me just show y'all. It's these little hearts right here. Hopefully you can see them. Oh shit. But yeah, it's these little hearts. These are the clear ones. I got these off eBay. I just put like nail art, and then they had like little heart ones. So I got them a long time ago, and I was like, hey, let me just apply them. So I applied 2 of the pink ones on each side, and then 1 of the clear pink ones, and then 1 right here, pink one. I don't know why I decided to put one right there, but I was like, let me just do something. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Oh, excuse me. Everybody was requesting for me to do a Valentine's look, so I hope you guys enjoyed. It was kind of out of my comfort zone, but I really like this glitter, guys. Like, do you see that? It's beautiful. So yeah. Alright guys, so I kind of like curled my hair, just like simple curls. so my hair wouldn't be just always straight, because I feel like y'all always see me, I'm gonna bust my ass. Yeah, always just see me with straight hair. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine's look. Every time I start talking to the camera, she wants to talk too. But like I said, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe. What you doing? What are you doing? You be missing out on my story times. Nah, but hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Leave me some feedback, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.